morning, students. In today's class, I am going to solve some problems of question number 7 and some problems of question number 8 from exercise 13F. Okay, maybe 2-3 problems I will solve you. And tomorrow I am going to do the last question of, next class, not tomorrow, next class I am going to do the last question of exercise 13F. And then I am going to start the new exercise. Okay, so let's come and solve the problems. Today's class from question number 7 and question number 8. Maybe 2 to 3 problems I'll solve you in today's class, and the next day's class I'll solve the remaining questions of this chapter, and then we'll start the new exercise or new chapter. Alright, beta. Now in these problems, please see. Very easy, beta. Easy. That means, just let me explain you. Suppose that means it is coming in the form of these two is there, two terms are there, because terms are separated by plus sign and minus sign. Okay? When a multiplication sign is there, is this considered to be one term? Here also multiplication sign is there, is this also considered to be one term? So how many terms is there in this question? 2 terms. Now in these 2 terms, if you can take any common, as per the same system, you please try to take the common. Dekho beta, is maybe 40 here, is maybe 40 here. So will you be able to take 40 common? Like a question come, suppose beta, AB minus say BC. Same way it is given. Oh sorry, AB square minus BC square. Same question given over there. Do you understand or not? Sorry, AC square, I made a mistake, because both 40 means these 2 terms are same. Like 40 I am taking as A, this I have taken as B, again 40 as A, this I have taken as C. So what will come, beta? You can take A common or not. If you take A common, what will be left over, beta? B square minus C square. Now if it is there, what do you do? A, now is it in the form of A square minus B square or not? Should right here? B plus C into B minus C. Like that, are you going to solve the problems or not? Same way this also. This is A, this is A, this is B, this is C. Take common A. What is left over, beta? 5.5 square minus 4.5 square. I hope it is clear to you. Now, this is 40. This one you take as A, this one you take as B. So this is A square minus B square. What is the formula? A plus B. What right here, beta? A plus B. Yes or no? Into A minus B. I hope it is clear to you. A plus B into A minus B. So here 40. If I add these two, what will come here? 5.4. Sorry, I made a mistake. It will come with a 9.9. 9. No, here 5.5. I made a mistake again. 5.5 is here. 4.4. Okay. So if you add it up, what will come here? 10. Into, if you subtract it, 1 will come on. I hope it is there. Once more, 40 common, like I explained here. So 5.5 square minus 4.5 square. Now take this as A, take this as B. So A square minus B square. If it is in the form of A square minus B square, so result will come to A plus B into A minus B. A means 5.5 plus 4.5 into A means 5.5 minus 4.5. So if you add it up, 5.5 plus 4.5 equal to 10. 5.5 minus 4.5 equal to 1 or not. Now if you multiply it, all of you are knowing what will come, beta? 400, and this is your answer. I hope it is clear to you. Now I am going to solve another problem. Now look at here, beta. I am going to solve question number 8.3. Same type of problems which you have already done, but it is my responsibility to show you the different kinds of problems what I am going to solve you now. So this is, beta, A square. Can you write it like this, beta? If you write it like this, the value is same. Now this one what? A, this one what? B. So it is in the form of again same thing, A square minus B square. And so many times you solve the problem based on A square minus B square. If it is in the form of a square minus b square, right beta? A plus b into a minus b. You are knowing it. No need to explain it again. Directly do it here. A plus b. I am doing directly a plus b into beta a minus b. Okay. Answer very easy. This is b. So 0.6 b. Here also 0. So I hope it is clear. A plus b into a minus b. Now I am going to solve the last problem of today's classwork. One more problem I am going to solve. Look at me in today's class. Again, same type of problem, just giving variety. I hope it is clear to you. No point of explaining it. This I convert it in the form of a square minus b square without changing the value. So a square whole square means 10 to the power 4. 25 square equal to 625. So this is as a, this is as b. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. If it is in the form of a square minus b square, what write beta? A plus b. A square plus 25. Next one beta? A square minus 25. Alright? Now, plus 1, don't do anything. If the minus 1, if you can convert them in again in the form of a square minus b square or difference of two square number, always you have to do it because this is incomplete. Plus 1, don't do anything. With plus 1, we are not using with the factorization. So this one again, if I write it like this, I don't think you have any problem. The already been square is there. So 25, I convert it into the term of 5 square. So what it comes? This one is A, this one is B. So it is come in the form of a square minus b square. So when it is in the form of a square minus b square, so you can write it a plus b into a minus b. So this one as it is, beta, a square plus 25. And this one, beta, if I do it here, a plus b into a minus b. Now if I remove the bracket, what will come? A square plus 25. This is a plus 5 into a minus 5, and this is your answer. I hope I made it clear to you. These are the easy problems. Same problem, maximum problems are based on exercise 13D, and with the help of a square minus b square. This is very important formula for the factorizations, and I hope it is clear to you. One more class I will take to finish up this exercise. Question number 9 and 10 I think is there, and after that I am going to start the new exercise. So thank you so much for today's class, beta.